to Gabby's Adventure Life. Today I will be showing you how to look after a hamster. Just to let you know guys, so when you take the hamster you need to take it slowly because for some reason it will come from dark to bright or sudden, and sometimes when it's early for the hamster it will be like sleepy, and so you will just have to make it run on the. I put him in a little padding pool while I clean out his cage so he can have a run around you in the meantime. Now what? I always ask my mum to clean out the cage with the special spray. It's all clean now, and then I'm going to put some nice clean sawdust in. I'm going to fill his house up with loads of cozy bedding. Some up in there, so fill with cozy bedding. Just so cozy enough. We didn't almost use the packet. Now I'm going to put some food in for him. He actually needs strawberry heart. I'm just going to put a cup in for him. I've seen his wheel now, and now I'm just going to put it back in the cage where it should be. I've done the cage now, and now I'm just going to put Georgie back in his cage where he belongs. I don't need to change his water now. Today, carrot and apple. We hope he likes them. Apple and carrot one. How does that sound? Now should I give him one more? Susie. Susie. For today, make sure to click that like button and